8 years ago, a vision took shape to revolutionize the manufacturing industry through innovation and precision. Today, we celebrate Sharp Edge Tools Technologies' incredible journey. Founded by Amit Tanwar, a technocrat with over 2 decades of expertise in CNC machine tools and cutting-edge technology, Sharp Edge is built on a foundation of passion, precision, and entrepreneurial spirit.
As we celebrate an incredible milestone of 8 years of growth, challenges, and success, I want to start by expressing my deepest gratitude to all our principals, valuable customers, and suppliers. Over the past 8 years, we have faced numerous challenges, but we also celebrate countless victories also. It has not always been easy, but with the creativity, passion, and innovation, we turned every challenge into an opportunity. We would not be here today without our incredible team. Every person here has contributed to our success in unique and meaningful ways. It's the dedication, passion, and collaboration of every individual that has shaped our company into what it is today.
Sharp Edge Tooling Technologies began its journey with a vision to redefine the standards of innovation and precision in the manufacturing industry. With a strong focus on precision, our machining capabilities cater to diverse industries, offering solutions that ensure quality and reliability at every step.
8 साल बेमिसाल, पता ही नहीं चला कब 8 साल निकल गए एंड वी आर वेरी वेरी थैंकफुल टू आवर कस्टमर जिन्होंने हम अपना सहयोग बनाए रखा, शार्प एज में ट्रस्ट दिया शार्प एज को और अपना एज ए सप्लायर आप लोगों ने हमें ट्रीट किया.
At Sharp Edge, every tool, every process, and every project reflects our commitment to excellence. From conceptualization to completion, we deliver results that drive manufacturing forward. Our team of experts combines technical expertise with a passion for innovation, providing tailored solutions to meet each client's unique needs.
I started my sales career 2.5 years ago with Sharp Edge. Before this, I worked in production department at so many plants. The journey in sales has been amazing to me and I have learned so much things. I am very thankful for the support of Mr. Amit Tanwar, our technical director, and Sandeep Yadav, our sales director.
मैंने शार्प एज को नवंबर 2021 में ज्वाइन किया था. शार्प एज को 8 साल पूरे होने पर बहुत बहुत बधाई और सभी कस्टमरों का जो अभी तक हमारे साथ बने रहे उनका बहुत बहुत तहे दिल से स्वागत.
Working here has been an incredible experience, giving me countless opportunity to grow, learn and enhance my skill. I am so grateful for the chance to contribute to our team. I am really happy to be the part of our company. I am truly excited to see what the future holds for our company. Wishing Sharp Edge continued success and all the best for the amazing journey ahead.
Our state-of-the-art facilities and cutting-edge technology enable us to provide precision machining solutions for prototypes and batch production, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. Over the years, we have built strong relationships with our clients, delivering projects that exceed expectations and stand the test of time.
Every European and US company wants to invest in India for set up their manufacturing plant and we are here, we are ready to serve them for improve their manufacturing operations in terms of machining solution, in terms of industrial flooring and safety barrier solutions. And recently we opened our new technology center in Manesar where we add 2, 3, 4 and 5 axis machines. We will do here prototyping and batch production for our customers. We invite our all of customer and our principals that come and have a experience about our technology which we are offering. We are ready to serve Indian manufacturing.
From precision machining to turnkey industrial solutions, Sharp Edge continues to set benchmarks in innovation and quality. Our services enhance productivity and unlock new possibilities for the manufacturing industry. 8 years of passion, innovation, and precision. This is just the beginning. Here is to shaping the future of manufacturing together.